Today we will present about the building in Ratchapat Nakhon University. That is our school building. It is intended for learning about technology and information. Follow me. Hello, my friend. Can you help me?
Yeah, what can I help you?
Can you guide me to computer building?
Oh, okay. Let's follow me. Start from ATM. We just go straight until we see 4 junction. Turn right. Now, here is A1 building. It is a typical school building. So, it's just newly here. And the left hand is a football stadium. The football stadium which is used for active sport. Behind me is a 15-floor building, which is the tallest building in this university. Follow me.
Next is a academic resort and information technology center building, and it is a library of this university. That is have a many good book, and the top floor is have a movie theater room. So if who wanna borrow a book here, please don't forget to bring your student card. Here is Intanin Cafe. It is a coffee shop, and everyone can go here to relax. Then now we go straight.
ตรงนี้จะตัดเสียงได้จะใช้สปีดทางเดิมไหมเฮ้ยไปถามลงสี่แยกดีกว่าจะได้เห็นทางโค้งรู้สึกแบบชักสปีดอะแบบเร็วๆไม่ใช่นะ
Until we see the 4 junction, we turn left. And that corner is a canteen and football stadium of the college. The opposite is Faculty of Management Science. So this management building is for students for practice their own business.
The right side will be computer center building. It is for collecting student information.
The opposite is logical building. This building is for students learning about transportation cost and profit. Then now we go straight.
It is Faculty of Education building. We will walk across the street at Go State. This is the demonstration school. It's for kindergarten. Nói bằng hết rồi nhàn.
This is a 7 building. I have studied about special course extra course. Then go straight. Follow me.
Phía trái này.
พูดได้ครับ
ใช่
แล้วก็มีเสียงคอ
นี่ตัดเดี๋ยวนู้นตรงนี้
เรื่องของอะไร
Until the projection slide. Then is student alpha office and co-op college.
Next is Faculty of Nursing. So this building is for learning about medical science. And then now we go straight and turn left.
And finally, we will meet the computer building, the building for student computer information and technology faculty. Thank you. Bye bye.